What is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson Boogie's Happiness in Retirement channel coming at you. And today I'm going to share with you how I make the perfect dirty martini. And I like to use garlic stuffed olive oils and the olive juice. And I like to use Bombay Sapphire Gin. This stuff is the best. You can smell the floral notes in it. This stuff is the bomb, I'm telling you. Bombay, the bomb. Get it? Haha, old dad joke there. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how I do it with ice and a mixer, and let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, people, is we're gonna get our martini glass nice and cold. And the way you do that is put you some ice in there, about that much ice. And you put water up to the rim and you let it sit while you're doing your other stuff. We're going to do that in the sink, let it sit in the sink. Then you fill up your mixer with some more ice. I'd say about a third of the way up, see? Then you put in 2 ounces of that Bombay Sapphire Gin that I love. Then you put in 1/2 ounce of olive oil juice. Not that much. Put it in there. Then you take your stirring rod and you stir it. I stir it about 40 or 50 times until the side gets so cold that you can see it. Now watch. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, alrighty. Now see, you can see the side of the mixing glass there, or mixing cup. It is ice cold, people. Now you put your little strainer on. You dump the water out of your ice cold cocktail glass. You pour that baby in there. See how everything's nice, ice and cold on a hot summer's day. And I like to get everything out of all that gin and olive juice, all that olive juice. Then I like to take, it's a dirty martini, so I like to use garlic stuffed olives. There we go. And that, my friends, is the perfect dirty martini. Woo, that's so good. Thank y'all for watching. If you like my material, go to the next video and hit subscribe. Peace out, and thank you so much.